G'day, I'm Brad. I'm Turf Production Manager and owner here at Coolabah Turf in Victoria. We're going to talk today about establishing a new lawn in winter and some of the myths around that. So what are the myths? People tend not to establish turf at this time of year. I can understand that if it was a densely shaded situation or you had a high traffic area that suffered from dogs. But if you're in a full sun environment, I cannot see any reason why you would hang back on a turf establishment until spring. Some people have concerns that the turf won't actually root in. So today we're going to show you some of the Coolabah techniques of how we produce you a great product for this winter. These frost covers we run on our harvest ready grass. They prevent frost from settling and they ensure turf quality all year round. We cut our turf in a slab form. It gives us the ability to put more soil on the turf and the confidence to sell to our marketplace all year round. Turf will still establish. It may live in its own shell or in its own microclimate, but you will find after time it will have root initiation. It'll just be a little slower than what it will be in the peak growing season of the year. So if you've got mud at your back door or a new home or one you want to sell, you can have confidence in the Coolabah team that we will deliver you an amazing product this winter. For more info in regards to varieties, site setup, etc., log on to our website or pick up the phone and ring one of our sales staff today.